video, we will discuss the top 10 tech skills in demand in today's job market. 1. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that allows the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics, over the internet. Cloud computing has several advantages over traditional on-premises computing, such as increased scalability, cost-effectiveness, and flexibility. Some popular cloud computing platforms include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Professionals with cloud computing skills can work in various roles, such as cloud architects, cloud engineers, and cloud administrators. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are transforming various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. AI and ML are used to develop intelligent systems that can learn from data and make decisions without human intervention. To develop AI and ML systems, professionals need to have knowledge of various programming languages, such as Python, R, and Java. They also need to have knowledge of various ML frameworks, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. 3. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. They need to have knowledge of various cybersecurity tools, such as firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems. Cybersecurity professionals can work in various roles, such as cybersecurity analysts, cybersecurity engineers, and cybersecurity architects. They need to have knowledge of various cybersecurity standards, such as NIST, ISO 27001, and PCI DSS. 4. Data science and analytics. Data science and analytics involve the extraction of meaningful insights from data. Data science and analytics professionals are responsible for collecting, cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting large amounts of data to help companies make informed decisions. Data science and analytics can be used for various applications, such as customer segmentation, predictive analytics, and fraud detection. Professionals with data science and analytics skills can work in various roles, such as data scientists, data analysts, and business analysts. To work in data science and analytics, professionals need to have knowledge of various programming languages, such as Python, R, and SQL. They also need to have knowledge of various data science and analytics tools, such as Tableau and Power BI. 5. DevOps. DevOps is a software development methodology that combines software development and IT operations. DevOps professionals are responsible for developing, testing, and deploying software faster and more efficiently. They need to have knowledge of various DevOps tools, such as Jenkins, Git, and Docker. 6. Mobile app development. Mobile app development is the process of developing mobile applications for smartphones and tablets. Mobile app developers are responsible for developing mobile applications for various platforms, such as iOS and Android. They need to have knowledge of various mobile app development frameworks, such as React Native and Flutter. Mobile app developers can work in various roles, such as mobile app developers, mobile app designers, and mobile app architects. They need to have knowledge of various programming languages, such as Swift, Kotlin, and Java. 7. Web development. Web development is the process of developing websites and web applications. Web developers are responsible for developing and maintaining websites and web applications. They need to have knowledge of various web development frameworks, such as Angular and React. Web developers can work in various roles, such as web developers, web designers, and web architects. They need to have knowledge of various programming languages, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 8. UI/UX design. UI/UX design is the process of designing the user interface and user experience of websites and mobile applications. UI/UX designers are responsible for designing the user interface and user experience of websites and mobile applications. They need to have knowledge of various design tools, such as Adobe Photoshop and Sketch. UI/UX designers can work in various roles, such as UI/UX designers, product designers, and user experience architects. 9. Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Blockchain professionals are responsible for developing and implementing blockchain-based solutions. They need to have knowledge of various blockchain frameworks, such as Ethereum and Hyperledger. Blockchain professionals can work in various roles, such as blockchain developers, blockchain architects, and blockchain analysts. 10. Internet of Things, IoT. Internet of Things, IoT, is a technology that connects various devices and objects to the Internet, allowing them to communicate with each other. IoT professionals are responsible for developing and implementing IoT-based solutions. They need to have knowledge of various IoT platforms, such as Amazon IoT and Microsoft Azure IoT. IoT professionals can work in various roles, such as IoT developers, IoT architects, and IoT analysts. Conclusion: the tech industry is constantly evolving, and professionals in the field must keep up with the latest trends and technologies to stay relevant. By developing these skills, professionals can increase their employability and advance their careers in the tech industry.